Welcome back to in this series of MATLAB. I am Pankaj Patil and in this video we are going to work on while loop. So let's get started. While loop is used when we want to do iterative process. While loop is best choice for words or character. So now let's move towards syntax and flowchart of while loop and then let's work on some examples. So now here we have flowchart and syntax for while statement. So in while statement it starts, then it checks condition is false, then it directly goes to stop. If condition is true, then it prints our expression and it again goes to repeat and it continuously do same thing. When that condition comes false, then it stops. So here we have syntax for while. So first we add our while and then expression for while loop and then statement and then we end our while. So now let's try to print hello world. So let's try printf open parenthesis double quote hello world double quote close parenthesis and let's press enter. So it prints hello world. So what if we want to print hello world multiple times? So then using same statement again and again is not good choice. So then we need to use while loop. So now let's use while loop for printing hello world 3 times. So let's add one script file and let's say I equal to 1 semicolon and press enter, and on next line let's add while statement and I is lower than or equal to 3 and then printf on next line open parenthesis close parenthesis double quote and inside that hello world and add semicolon and backslash n for new line. Now let's save this code as while underscore hello dot m and now let's run this code. So it printing out hello world multiple times and it is continuously printing. So we need to stop this code, we made some mistake. So the same statement is going again and again because we are not incrementing it, because we need to use next iteration. So let's say I equal to I plus 1 semicolon. So now it is going to increment and now let's save again and let's run this code. So now it prints hello world 3 times. So now let's visualize this code using breakpoints. Now let's click on this breakpoint option, so we get some options, then click on set or clear and let's set breakpoint. It shows some points in red color, so let's click on red color point at while statement on second line and now let's run this and let's open command window and let's open command window gives hello world. Let's click on step, so it goes on next line by using step. Now again click on step, so we go on to increment and we printed hello world 1 time. Now let's again add step. Now let's again add step. So again we done steps and we printed second times hello world. Now let's add step again. So our incrementation is done third time and it printed hello world. So like this you can visualize your code using that step option. So now let's add one more script file and let's try to find square of numbers up to 10. So let's say x equal to 1 semicolon and on next line while x is lower than or equal to 10 and again then press enter, and on next line let's use disp display function and in that function let's give x raised to 2 and on next line let's add x equal to x plus 1 and after that add semicolon and let's save this file as while underscore sq.m. So we made our code. Now let's run this code and now open command window. So it prints out square of all numbers up to 10. So now let's add one more script file and let's try to do same procedure with matrix. So let's copy this code and paste here, and let's save this file as while underscore sqmat.m, and let's change x equal to as in square bracket 1 comma 1 close square bracket. And now let's save this code and let's run this code. So we missed something. In square we need to do matrix square of x, so we need to add dot after x. So now we added this. Now let's save and try to run this code. So now let's open command window. So let's see here. So it prints out square of matrix up to 10.